Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give a brief description on Youcut. This is a free video editor tool particularly used in the Android device. This is a free and easy tool available. First step is to go to the Play Store and download the Youcut, which is free. You need the updated version of Youcut, as the old version might not support many features. First, you need to install it, and after opening, you will get this type of image, and you need to click the plus button here. And you want to a new project. Let's say there is a couple of options available. If you want to insert some text in video, which is the red color, let's say we input a red color here. Let's say input it, and if we put text here, it becomes, let's say, you can just move it, you can edit here, and if you want to undo it, you can do from this undo button. Yes, and I will give every description on this option here. First one is the trim, second music, filter, effect, text, sticker, PIP, speed, busy, record, volume, rotate, flip, crop. Q&A means there is a section where you could explain how to do basic editing in this software. You can go there and have a glimpse if you feel good. First, you can unmute your audio clip here and video sound off, video sound on. You can insert sound or music wherever you like from here. You can use open from local drive, whatever you have. You can do your own way. Let's say I want to install one music here in this theme. I'm scrolling down. Let's say I want to install already, so you need to click the use button here. And let's play this. You will get this in France. If you want to undo it, you can click the undo button. Let's make one basic video first. You need to click the plus, and I think this is a photo. Yes, let's start from photo. Yes, this is a photo. Let's say this photo. If you want to edit it for what? For YouTube short. You need to be 9:16 ratio for YouTube. This 16:9 for Instagram. Whatever you like. You can change the color, and you can use this also. The zooming option available here. Okay. And if you want to insert the audio, you need to just click the music here and open from means wherever you like. If you have downloaded, you can use that. And there's the effect in here. This airplane, whatever. Hot, airplane, animals, applause, beat, bills, camera. Let's use the sound of a cat. let's say cat. It requires network, so I'm currently offline. Okay, you can use whatever effect. You can use offline as well as online. Offline, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's say I want to make this video. I want to split it. If you want to split it, you can use this button, split button. If you want to delete it, you can delete here. If you want to redo it, redo. That's it. And let's make one video out of this. Let's delete this. And this is the video I've read. Okay. Yes. And this is the video editor. And this editor really works very well. And let's say I want to trim this. Trim means you can either trim from there, or I'll show you another easy way to trim it. Just play this video and just stop it where you want to trim it, and click the video and just split it and just delete it. That's it. You can delete this also. It's just simple, right? You can undo later on. And for music or any sound, you can use this music button. You can use your own music edited sound, boil 3 Google videos sounds. If you want to make a YouTube video, you need to aware of copyright issue. You need to use only the stock-free music from the Google. Otherwise, your video will not be monetized. It will be difficult to earn money. And this is a trim, means to cut. Music means to insert a sound or some music. And let's see, filter means this is just naturally the what you want. Let's say I have applied some filter. Means whatever you feel nice, you can insert it. Either the filter sometimes looks great, sometimes the filter makes video bad also. You need to aware of this effect. And this effect means you can use this effect. You need to long press to apply for this effect. Let's say I have applied this effect for around 2 seconds, and this effect for around 2 seconds, this effect for around 2 seconds, and you need to click this right button, and now the video will look like this. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to do let's say I want to undo this effect, because I'm just showing it. And if you want to insert a text, just press this Youcut. Okay, you can move from here. You can resize it. You can copy from there. You can edit from there, whatever you like. This is just inserting. You can use the color. You can change the color. So you can change the font. You can change this animation, zoom in, zoom out, whatever you like. You can enjoy a lot from this video editing tool. There are a lot of options here. Now let's delete this. Let's delete this, okay? I means you can redo it. And remove it. Okay. And here sticker means you can insert sticker, or the sticker that has also whatever you like. If you want to insert something inside it, let's say I want to insert some owl, or this one, this here, and you can, as usual, You can resize it, you can edit it, you can just take it. And this is let's say this is with our talk on PSP and Chroma later in the last part of video, because it is a bit complicated. And this speed you can just manage fast as well as slow. Let's say I have made this speed 100 and it becomes like it. It don't know sim. Let's look slower. Yes, it is working. And you know about speed now. If you want to record it, just place the record button. If you want to increase the volume of video, you can just click this volume button and increase or decrease whatever you like. Yeah, you can. If you want to rotate this to this and place OK, then it becomes crop corner center. Then let's put towards and now I'm going to teach on how to use PIP, because this is a very powerful tool, especially for making the green screen video. And you need to first insert the video for PIP. To insert a video, just click the PIP and whatever your video you like to insert. Let's say I want to insert one video of all. Let's say this all. This is actually the green screen, okay. And I've inserted it by using PIP. And if you want to make a green screen or to remove the background, this is typically the green screen video of all, which I downloaded it from Pixabay for free. And you need to use the chroma. The chroma option comes out after you insert a video here, and you need to click the chroma here, okay, and just move it upward, okay. You can adjust whatever you like. Try it for first time. You need to try this. Let's say I'm insert it. Now the effect become like this. On the survey, this is not all is fine and just near my mouth. Okay. And this is the very beautiful and powerful tool of Youcut I ever encountered. If you want for more on the green screen, I will upload it in the next video, because making green screen is a lot of fun and it makes the video a bit professional compared to that of others. While using the chroma, you need to understand basic principle of editing, because after you insert a video by using PIP, then the chroma option will appear, and you need to just click the chroma. Let's do it again. PIP. And let's say I want to insert this image again. Yes. Let's say I click on this image, because whatever image you click, the option of that particular image appear in this upper this add option of chroma split in this bar. Okay, this is a very good one. And you need to press the chroma. This chroma just split it. This is actually the green screen video, so actually the chroma is working really well here, but not all the video have green screen. You need to create the green screen first. It is a bit difficult to create the green screen relying only on this video editing tool. because green screen typically works better on some other device also. I will upload this that video later on. Let's play this video. Now it's become like this. You need to just lower the sound of this inserted video. You can do this by just minimizing the sound to 0 and pressing OK. Because these videos can interfere with the normal sound. If you want to unmute the video and click, you can do it. And if you want to insert music, whatever music, stock-free music, you can do it from this my music. And hopefully I have downloaded one from Google Drive for free. Let's play the music for my music format. Music. The video become like this. And this does not work really well in the free music. But if you want to add some tutorial video on a specific platform or some other, you can just use this. This Youcut is a very easy tool available in the market and is relatively free. I recommend every beginners to use Youcut first and then step ahead to our more advanced video editor available in this market. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.